Welcome back to our series on time and distance. In this series, we will break down key concepts step by step to help you master problem solving. In this video, we will tackle a classic problem. A man crosses a bridge of 500 meters in 4 minutes. At what speed is he running? Let's go through the calculations, understand the logic, and even converts a unit like a pro. So let's grab a notebook, stay focused, let's dive into it. So the general formula for the speed is equal to distance by time. This formula means a speed is calculated by dividing the total distance traveled by total time taken. So the given data was distance is 500 meters and time is 4 minutes. Since we want to calculate the speed in meters per second, we need to convert this to meter to seconds. So let's convert. 4 minutes equal to 4 into 60. So we get the answer of 240 seconds. So the total time taken is 240 seconds. Let's calculate the speed in meter per seconds. So speed is equal to 500 divided by 240. Simplify the factorization. So we get speed equal to 25 by 12 meter per second. This is the speed of a man in meter per second is 25 by 12. Let's convert meter per second into kilometer per hour. 1 meter per already we know discussed on this. 1 meter per second equal to 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. So multiplying this, we will get an answer of speed equal to 25 by 12 into 18 by 5. Multiplying the numerator and denominators, we will get speed equal to 450 by 60. So by further simplifying on this, we will get 90 by 12 and then 30 by 4. Finally, we got 7.5. The final answer, the man is running at 7.5 kilometer per hour. Let's go to the next sum. The car is traveling at a speed of 140 km per hour and reaches its destination in 2 hours. If the car wants to reach the same destination in 1 hour, what speed does it needs to travel? Okay, we use the basic formula for distance here. As we know, distance is equal to speed into time. This formula tells us total distance covered is equal to speed of the car multiplied by time taken. So to calculate the distance, the given data is speed is equal to 140 km per hour and time is 2 hours. By using the formula, distance equal to speed is 140 and time is 2 hours. So distance is equal to 280 kilometers. So the total distance to the destination is 280 kilometer. If required to find a speed, means now if a car wants to cover a same distance in 1 hour, now we have to use the speed formula. Speed equal to distance by time. The required speed is 280 by 1. So required speed we get is 280 by 1 is 280 only. So 280 km per hour. So our final answer is the car needs to travel at 280 km per hour to reach its destination in 1 hour. Let's go for third sum. A student has 2 options to travel a certain distance. Walking or cycling. The given conditions are, if he walks one way and cycle back, it takes 5 hours. If he cycle both ways, it takes 3 hours. We need to find the time he will take if he walks both the way. So let's define some variables for this and then to calculate the cycling for both ways. So from the problem we are taking walking one way plus cycling back, which was taken 5 hours. So cycling both way will be 3 hours. Let's put a variable for this. Walking one way is W plus cycling back is C. W plus C equal to 5 and cycling both way is 2C equal to 3. So let's solve this equation to find time for one way cycling. C equal to 3 by 2, which is 1.5 hours. Now we substitute this into first equation. W plus 1.5, we get 5. So solving for W is W equal to 5 minus 1.5, we get 3.5 hours. Let's find time for walking both ways. Since walking one way take 3.5 hours, the total time for walking both way is 2 into 3.5, we get 7 hours. If a student wants to walk both way, it will take 7 hours. Let's go to next sum. A bus travels into two stages. A first stage, it covers 100 km at speed of 100 km per hour. Second stage was, it covers 150 km at speed of 90 km per hour. We need to find the average speed of bus from the entire journey. So let's understand the formula for average speed for this sum. The formula for average speed, when the journey is split into multiple parts, we need to calculate average for this. So average speed is equal to total distance divided by total time taken. So we need to find total distance traveled and then total time taken. Let's calculate total distance first. Total distance traveled by bus is 100 km plus 150 km. We get 250 km. Okay, let's calculate total time taken. Time for first stage, let's say A to B. The bus travels 100 km at speed of 100 km per hour. So time for A to B is 100 by 100 is 1 hour. As we know, time is equal to distance by speed. So let's calculate the second stage. The bus travels 150 km at speed of 90 km per hour. Time from B to C is 150 divided by 90. That is distance by speed. We get 5 by 3 hours. So now we can calculate total time. Total time taken for journey is 1 plus 5 by 3 is equal to 3 by 3 plus 5 by 3. By using the factor method, we get 8 by 3 hours as an output. So let's calculate average speed. Using the formula of average speed, as we discussed, total distance by total time, average speed equal to 250, and the value which we got from total time now 8 by 3. So we get, since by dividing a fraction is same as multiplying by its reciprocal, so 250 by into 3 by 8 by reciprocaling it, so we get 250 into 3 by 8. The output is 750 by 8. By cancelling further, we get 93.75. Our final answer is average speed for the bus is 93.75. Let's go to next sum. A train moves between 3 stations. From station A to station B, it takes 2 minutes. From station B to C, it takes 3 minutes. The distance between any two stations is A to B or B to C is given as 6 km. So now we have to determine the average speed of the train for entire journeys. It was similar as previous sum, which we need to find the average speed. Let's understand the formula of average speed again. Average speed is total distance divided by total time taken. Okay, let's calculate the total distance first. The time travel train covers from A to B is 6 km, B to C is 6 km. So the total distance is 6 plus 6, 12 km. Let's calculate total time taken first. Then time for A to B is 2 minutes and time from B to C is 3 minutes. Then total time is 2 plus 3, 5 minutes. Since speed calculation requires time in hours, we need to convert minutes to hours. 5 minutes equal to 5 by 60 hours. So we get 1 by 12 hours as an output. Let's calculate the average speed. Using the formula, average speed is total distance by total time. Total distance is 12 km and total time is 1 by 12 hours. Since dividing by fraction is same as multiplying by reciprocal formula, we get 12 into 12 by 1. By reciprocaling it, we get an output of 114. 12 into 12 output as an output. So the average speed of a train is 114 km per hour.